everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today we have an October sneak peek for the Sudsy Club subscription. So this is what the box looks like, and on here it says where luxury begins. So if you don't know what Sudsy Club is, it is a bi-monthly bath subscription, or like luxury soap subscription I should say. So bi-monthly means you get it every other month. So what I'm opening today will be the upcoming October box. This is a little sneak peek of what you will get. So this costs $25 every other month. And I do have a code that actually increased in value. So it used to be, it would save you 15%, but now it'll save you 20%. So I'm gonna leave the link down below along with that code. I don't get anything from it, it's just for you guys to save some money. I think this is a great subscription. If you like really high quality luxury soaps that don't dry out your skin, this is perfect. Like a lot of commercial soaps are really drying. So I love using like handmade soaps like this, like luxury type soaps, because it really does make a difference and doesn't dry out my skin, and they smell amazing. So every other month you get 3 luxury soaps, and then you also get like a bath product. So I have no idea what we're getting this month, so why don't we dive in and see what's inside. When I open up the box, this is what I see. So it says Sudsy Club October. And on the inside, it talks about all of the products. So I will leave this here to reference. And here are what the bars of soap look like. Oh, so there's like little swigglies. The packaging is so cute. This would seriously make a great gift. Or if you feel like you have too many soaps, you can always just gift an individual one. Look how pretty these are. I just got a whiff of good scent. So let's see, what is this one? This is Earthly Essence. And on the label it says Sudsy & Co. where luxury begins. All natural artisan soap, only the finest ingredients. Oh yeah, that smells really good. It kind of smells like licorice. So let's see what's in it. It says the ingredients are olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, and castor oil, all saponified. Eucalyptus, lavender, tea tree, and anise essential oil, colloidal oats, and tussa silk. I think the anise essential oil is what I'm smelling. But let's see what they say in here about it. Oh, there's another, the back label, I'll read that to you quick. I think it says the same thing on every label of the soap, so I won't read it every single time, but it says made with the highest quality plant-based oils and butters, along with therapeutic grade essential oils and botanicals. The natural oils and butters leave your skin feeling soft and moisturized, not drying like commercial soaps. Our soaps contain no chemicals, no artificial fragrances, and no artificial coloring. And it says learn more at sudsyandcompany.com, which again I will link down below. Okay, but let's read about Earthly Essence. It says this bar is one of our most wholesome bars we make. Made with olive oil, shea butter, coconut oil, colloidal oats, and cruelty-free tussa silk. What more can we say about it? The blend of oils used are eucalyptus, lavender, tea tree, and anise. Every single ingredient used is amazing for your skin and gentle at the same time. Use this bar in the bathtub or shower and you will have an aromatherapy experience every time you bathe. It smells so good. I mean, I kind of let my hair like air dry today, and I feel like it's like, looks really weird right there. The next one is called Tranquility Silk Bar. I like the sound of that, Tranquility. My god, this does smell like what you would imagine Tranquility smell like. Smells so good. Nice. So let's read about this one. This beautiful bar is a light lavender color brought out by the Brazilian purple clay. This bar is creamy and silky due to the tussa silk, which again is cruelty free, that has been added. The Brazilian purple clay is amazing for your skin. It is scented with cedarwood, lavender, and orange essential oils. This is a must-have in every shower. It smells absolutely heavenly. It really does. So far, I think this one's my favorite. Okay, let's look at the third and last soap. Rosemary Peppermint. That's unique. Cool combination. So it says rosemary peppermint with green tea. Oh, this smells so good. None of the scents are overpowering, like it's a good combination of all of them. It says enjoy the smell of rosemary with the uplifting scent of peppermint, plus the added benefits of fresh green tea leaves known for their antioxidants. This bar is a great jumpstart to your morning with the uplifting scents of rosemary and peppermint essential oils, made with fresh green tea extracts in every bar. Awesome. I love all of these. So we have Earthly Essence, the Tranquility Silk Bar, and the Rosemary Peppermint Bar. These are awesome. Cannot wait to use them. I always have one of the Sudsy Club soaps in my shower. So now let's look at what the extra is. So what is this? Here's what it looks like. Oh, this is a Cecil soap pouch. Oh, nice. So you can keep your soaps in here, and there's like a little thing in here you can hang in your shower. So let's see. It says Cecil. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's S-I-S-A-L. It's a natural fiber derived from the agave plant. This extremely durable Cecil fiber is 100% biodegradable. The benefits of using an all-natural Cecil soap pouch will help increase lather and exfoliation. So how to use, you place the bar of soap in the pouch and then pull the drawstring closed, wet the pouch with water, wash with soap and bag in one. Allow the water to drain from the pouch, hang to dry in between uses. Oh my god, that's so cool. At first I thought it was just to store it, but you actually can put the bar of soap in here and then you can exfoliate with it. That's so awesome. So let's open one of them. I don't want to open all the soaps. Let's open, I think my favorite one, since I'll use that first, is the Tranquility Silk Bar. So again, this is what the packaging looks like. And this is the wrapping underneath it. Isn't that pretty? I can smell even more. It smells so good. So it says Sudsy & Co. on there. And this is the one they said that's like has a light purple color because of the Brazilian purple clay. I can't stop smelling it. So let's put it in here. So yeah, it fits perfectly. So they say you put it in and then you draw this closed. And yeah, so then I'll just put this right in my shower after I'm done filming. I just hang it up around like the spout or whatever I use to turn on the water, the handle. So this is so cool. This will feel really nice, like exfoliating your skin. It's supposed to lather more too. It smells so great. So I think this is a great month. I love the extra item too. That is so cool and unique. The soaps, all of them smell amazing. Tranquility Silk Bar was my favorite. Earthly Essence and Rosemary Peppermint both smell really good too. So yeah, I think this is great. I love these soaps so much. I've been getting this for a while now. So if you want to subscribe, this is what is coming in the October box. Again, I will leave the link down below along with the promo code to save you 20%. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!